I understand he's going to be doing some meditation, a little bit of yoga, and then he's going to meet us over at the studio and model for us. So we're going to be drawing Stitch today, but first, why don't you get the wiggles out? I hear the music here. I'm going to do the same. And we'll do that, and then we'll see you in the studio in just a little bit. All right, as promised, we have Stitch that's going to be modeling for us. Oh, here he is. Hey, we told you to get the wiggles out. You got to stop moving. We're going to be drawing you. Okay, there we go. So what we're going to do, start out with, is Stitch's head and the nose, and it's a bigger circle, right? And then right in the middle, there's a smaller circle, and it almost looks like a donut. So we're going to do that. It looks just like a donut. It says start like that, and we're off and running. And then on the sides, the eyes, it's a little bit more of an oval that's kind of tilted a little bit, right? So the oval, it's kind of in between an oval and a circle. And remember, at the top of the eye, you have another oval or circle. That's not the eyeball, that's where the light is hitting the eyes. So just like that. And then just underneath those three shapes, you have a line that just kind of goes right underneath. Mine's at a little bit of an angle because it looks like its head's tilted. And then there's a round shape just like the bottom of the head. There's a round shape on the bottom. And then on the inside of the mouth, it's really on the top. It's a lot of V's and W's. You see the W there. There's another W and a V. And then on the bottom, it's the same shape. It's just pointed up, right? So they look like little triangles or pyramids going up. And you could put as many teeth in the mouth as you want. And then we can move on to the top of the head. You know, his hair is always sticking up there. So the top of the head, when there's spiky hair, kind of you could start out almost like a little shark fin or a dolphin, a fin coming out of the water. And there's just some hair, and you could make the hair a little different. Just like that, kind of messed up a little bit. And then around the shape that's around the eye, it's the same shape, it's just a little bit bigger. So you come right from the nose and curve it around. So it's actually curving around like this. It's the same shape. Same thing with this. Curves around and it kind of goes down to the mouth. Really, so it's kind of like that. And then we can move on to the ears. Now the ears are going to be right on the side of each of the eyes, and it's kind of the same length of the eye here is where you'd have these two lines. And then it's really just a big, you can make them as big as you want. Try not to make them too small, because he has larger ears, and it's just a round shape like this. And there's actually a little cutout here. And when you do a cutout, then that means you might have to erase that shape there. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. The ears going up, coming back around like this, and the cutout on this ear is a little bit higher, so we're going to do it like that. And then coming out of the middle of the ear, there's a straight line on either side that goes up a little bit, and then it curves up, and same line coming out, and it curves down. All right, it kind of looks like a plant or a flower or something. So it curves up, same line in the middle, curves down, right? Just like that. And now we can move on to his body. If you want to simplify the body and just do that big U shape, kind of looks like an oval or something, you can leave it like that. It's a little bit more of a jelly bean. And so you kind of curve in on each side. It curves in, curves back out, and his body is a little bit more like that. And we can move on to the arms that are holding onto the paddle, because he's paddle boarding. You could have him surfing if you want. So underneath the head, go down a little bit, and then we have the arms kind of diagonal, parallel lines coming out like this. And on the right side is where the shoulder is, and underneath the arm, and it's kind of like those round shapes. It's just a short, round curve there. And then on this side, on the end, you just see the back of the hand. So you just see the knuckles there. And so what we're going to do is, it's a wavy line coming down for the knuckles, and then we could erase the body that you see, the line of the body that goes through the hand. And when you color and everything, you're not going to see that line. And then for the other arm that you can't really see, it comes from over here. You have this, you could have a straight line like this, and then what we're going to have is kind of like those backwards C's, right? You're seeing his fingers that are going over the paddle. So if you go like this, and this line just kind of disappears, then we're good for now on that. Then we could go down to the bottom, and his legs are going to be, they're kind of like, once again, that C shape or the U shape, right, on either side. His legs are kind of spread out because he's on the paddleboard and he's got to be balanced. So you have the same kind of shape on either side, and then you really just have his toes are a little bit more like that. So it's more of the same kind of U shape or the C's there, right? So if we have it like that, then we're doing just fine. And then what we're going to do is, yeah, just roughly, we're going to take the, you could do this with a ruler if you want. We're going to take this up, coming down like this, and it's going to be going down like this. You could do it with a ruler or something and make it perfectly straight. And we're just going to take this down like that. And you have to erase a little bit, but that's okay. And then for him to be on the board, we're just going to do it simply enough. It's like about halfway up the legs here, and then you go down from the feet like this, and then you guys could finish off the ends of the boards however you want. And yeah, that's about it. You could do your own design on the board. Why don't we give Stitch a little break? We're going to have him, yeah, why don't you take a break? And we're going to finish off the board here. So maybe I'll continue with that straight line going down the middle. You guys could have your initials or a design there. And then in the background, we're going to have some wavy lines here. Oh, hey, Angel. He's stopping by. We just finished drawing Stitch. He was modeling for us. Yeah. Oh, thank you. It turned out okay. Yeah, maybe in a couple weeks you can come on back and model for us, and we'll draw you. Does that sound good? Excellent. So maybe we'll see you pretty soon. All right. So what we're going to do is right about where his head is, you could draw where the horizon is, and it could be kind of wavy. It could be straight. This is where the sky is. This is where the water is. And you guys could just have fun with Stitch on a paddleboard or surfboard, and yeah, keep on drawing. All right. Thanks for watching Art Party. Hope you guys had fun with the drawing. It was a lot of fun for me. And why don't we make this world a more beautiful place, one drawing at a time, just like always. You guys could always like and subscribe if you haven't just yet. Tell your friends, and we'll see you at the next party.